Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will walk you through on how to set status privacy on TikTok. If you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Open TikTok and log in to your account. Go to your profile section. Click on the three horizontal lines at the top right. Select Settings and Privacy. Click on Privacy. Scroll down and select Story. Set story privacy to only you or only my friends. If the settings is not available here, then you will have to manually set privacy each time you upload a story on TikTok. Click on the Add Story icon. Select the story you want to add. Click on the gear icon at the top. Select privacy and toggle it to only you or to your friends only. That is it for today, and thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.